Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. We got some lightweight subwoofers on the test bench right now. So these are from the guys over at Elite. For you guys that don't know, the guys from SoundCube also offer subwoofers under the Elite brand and amplifiers under the SoundCubed brand. High quality stuff, great warranty, just like their limitless batteries. They're designed and engineered for motorcycle audio. These woofers were sent over to me, and then I was looking over the specs. I didn't think that it would be something I would use in my shop until I put them to the test. Their whole claim to fame is this is their low power version of the woofer. They also offer a high power version. So these are rated for 400 or 500 watts each, between 300 and 500 watts each. So as I got to thinking about it, because most of the stuff we do with 10-inch woofers in the bags is higher power. We're talking 1,600 watts, 3,000 watts, 2,500 watts. So where each woofer would be getting minimum of 800 watts, all the way up to 1,600 watts a piece. Where this makes sense, at least in our shop, is a customer upgrading from 8s to 10s and doesn't want to put an amplifier in a tour pack, doesn't want to upgrade the amount of power he's running to the 8s. These woofers will work on the same amount of power that we generally run in our stage 3 and stage 3 high power package, which is an 8-inch woofer getting 400 watts each or 800 watts each in our high power version. So where we have a client that wants to upgrade, sometimes the upgrade could be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 going from 8s to 10s, because now you got to run thicker power wire, you got to go with a bigger amplifier, you need 10-inch rings to cut into the bags. So this is a much lower cost option because you just have to recut the bag for 10s using the rings. Elite has also partnered with Tim Nagy at Nagy's Customs, where you can buy the woofers and the rings together off Limitless website. So if you have a client that wants to go from 8s to 10s and isn't ready to go to high power 10s, this is a perfect option for them because it falls right within the power handling that these woofers are designed for. And then if the future they want to upgrade, they can go with the big boy woofers, the next step up by Elite, and throw a 3,000.1 or 2,500.1 or 6, whatever they want to do. But we tested these on about 600 watts each, and they did phenomenal. Check out the video. The woofer that we tested were the 10-inch ES450s. These retail for $299 each, so 600 a pair. They have woofers from $299, this is their entry-level low-power ones, all the way up to $899, which is their high-power subwoofer, which is reconable. They have a recone kit if you blow it up, $149 to recone the entire woofer. It comes completely assembled, voice coil, spider, cone assembly, so it's really easy to take care of. So for you competition guys that are beating the hell out of these woofers, you can actually repair them in the field if you blow them up. So one thing that made me realize how much technology has changed in the past 10 years is I went through the airport, I packed a suitcase, and I brought 4 subwoofers, an amplifier, and a toolkit. My luggage was not overweight. That's because all 4 subwoofers were Neo 10-inch mid-bass for motorcycles. So that shows you how much technology has changed. These woofers have gotten so light and powerful. Went through the airport, checked the bag, did not get charged an overweight charge. 4 woofers, amplifier, and a toolkit.
let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down,
now here I go again, I see the crystal visions.